I'm Leong, and now I represent the Lab3 Part1C Program 2. This program is used to calculate the sum of the odd or even of the index in an array. And first, we declare all the prompt to show to the user. First is the main menu, and second is the ask the user input of their integer. And next is the sum of the all of the value in the array. And next is the even index of the array. Sum of all the value in the even index of the array. The next is the sum of all the value of the odd index in the array. And next, we initialize the hello array with the word and have 6 pairs. And next, initialize the total even to 0 and total out to 0. In the main program, we first move the address of the prompt, which is this one, to the edx. And after this, call the write string to show this string to user. And next, call crf, which is blank line. And next, move 6 to ECX and 0 to ESI. And the ECX is used for the loop. And every loop it will decrease by 1. In the input loop, first we move the address of the integer input to the edx and call the write string to ask the user to their input. After that, call the read decimal, which is store the user input into the EAX. And next, move the user input from EAX into the array, which is ESI. And the ESI is 0, so this value will store into the first index of the hello. And after that, add 4 to ESI. And this is move that the next loop will store the user input into next index. Because the hello is used the word to declare, so it has 4 bytes. So we need to add 4 to let the hello to store the user input in the next index. After user enter all the 6 input and end the loop, and we initialize the ECX to 3, ESI and EX to 0, and go to the sum even loop. And this loop is used to sum all the value in the hello array with the even index. So first we move the hello with the index 0 into EAX. And after that, add to ESI. And go to loop again, and this ESI become add, and this add represent the index of 2, because with the word to declare the hello, so it has 4 bytes, and we need to add byte to let the index to go to 2. And after loop after 3 loop, and move the AX into the total even. And after that, we declare again the ECX to 3, the ESI to 4, and the EAX to 0. And go to the sum out loop. And this, at the first, add the hello with 4, which is the index 1, into the EAX. Then after that, so add to the ESI. So next, for the next loop, the hello will have an index 3. And after all the 3 loop finish, and move the EAX into the total odd and leave a blank line, and after that move the address of the result into the EDX and call the write string, and this will prompt the user result some hello index. After that, leave two blank line and move the event label of the address of the event label into EDX and show the string again, and move the total event into the EAX and show the decimal number of the EAX, which is the total event, and leave a blank line again, and after that move the address of the odd label into the EDX and call the write string to show the prompt, and move the total odd into EAX and show the decimal number of the EAX, which is the total odd, and leave a blank line and exit the program. Now I will demo the program. First, we'll prompt the main menu and ask the user input, and I press input 10, 20, 30, 15, 25, 62, and we can see that the result of the event index of the hello, which is 10 plus 30 plus 25, which is 65, and the odd index of the array is 97, which is 20 plus 50 plus 62. And that's the end of this program.